How to delete your email account from your phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete your email account from your phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, deleting your email account from your phone is very simple. We're not talking about deleting the account, but we're talking about removing that account from our device, because the process of the deleting process really depends from the email service that you're using. Let's just say in general that you want to remove the email from your device and you don't want them in your device. For this, depending upon the Android or iOS you're using, for Android users, what you have to do is open the settings app and look for something known as accounts and backup, which in my case is on my Samsung device. If you're using some other device, you'll find the options such as maybe password and accounts, or maybe password or something like that. Now, once you go to accounts and backup, at the very top again you can see manage accounts option. Tap on manage accounts, and over here you'll be able to see a list of accounts that you have. So select an email address that maybe you'd like to remove, tap the remove account option, and that email will get successfully removed from your device. This way you can delete your email account from your phone and completely remove them. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.